Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate a 3D animated avatar in Canva. So let's try open Canva first. Don't forget to sign in to your account. Next, you can click apps and click on AI powered. Now you can find the Quickie AI animate. So engage your audience with 3D animated avatars. Let's start by click use in new design. So here you can choose your avatar. There's a skull, a boy, and so on. Let's try with the unique one. Maybe this one, the witch. You can select animation, agreeing, ballerina, birthday, chicken dance, bowling. This is the pro one. You have to upgrade to Canva Pro to use this feature. So let's try this one, maybe flamenco dance, and this is script. Hello everyone, welcome to my party. Let's try with party. And voice model, you can use standard or enhanced. You need to upgrade into the pro one. Language, you can choose English or anything. Limited to Arabic, Cantonese, into the Welsh. Now let's try the English. Accent, you can use Australian, British, maybe. Voice, Amy or Emma. And you can preview the voice. After that, you can generate your video. Please wait. The AI generating your animation. And here we go. Quickie AI animate has successfully uploaded, and now you can play. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.